Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and from the main menu, just scroll down and click on Settings. From the Settings page, go ahead and click on Sound and Display. And now you will see various different audio parameters underneath. Now for the music, the sound effects as well as the voice, a certain value is given to let you know how loud these are. You can press the arrow at the left or the right to increase or decrease the volume. And by this way, you can even turn off the volume all the way. After choosing your desired settings for all three parameters, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved once you enter the main menu. And now you can continue to enjoy your game with your audio settings applied. And you can go back to the settings menu at any time to once again turn on sounds if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings within the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.